Bees are fascinating insects that play a crucial role in pollination. They help plants grow, produce food, and maintain biodiversity. There are over 20,000 species of bees worldwide, with honeybees being the most well-known. Bees live in colonies, led by a queen bee. Worker bees collect nectar and pollen, while drones help with reproduction. Honeybees produce honey by transforming nectar inside their hives. Bees communicate using dances and pheromones. Unfortunately, bee populations are declining due to habitat loss, pesticides, and climate change. Protecting bees is essential for food security and environmental balance.